Sideways performance, guys. So we're gonna be tuning a Mark IV Supra. It's a US car. It's a hardtop, so pretty rare car. Really cool car. Has a really cool kit on it. Has a Blitz kit on it, actually. So it's kind of kick ass. Super cool. Cool shit. Alrighty, so let's go check it out. Got all the cars in here. Mine's still parked outside. What's up, baby?
What's up, baby? Two-step it, bro. Oh, hell yeah. So the other thing that it could be is that his carpet isn't letting his pedal go down all the way, so you need to be like fucking on the fucking gas pedal. Yeah. Because if he's just like, if I just sit here and I just floor it with my ankle and like just floor it, I'm hitting 72%.
Okay.
But like if I literally smash on it, it'll hit 99. So I think the carpet's just getting in the way and everything like that. Well, your floor. Well, first of all, your floor mat is like literally not for this thing. Yeah. So yeah, look at that thing. If I get on it, it's 96%.
Yeah.
So we're
Okay. So yeah.
fuck this carpet. It's just your carpet.
You want to sell it? They're on the trash.
Right here, baby. Right there. Easy.
I was like, fuck, I had to jam it with my fucking foot.
So you just said when you two-step it, you gotta build the pedal.
You gotta floor it. Yeah, because it's gotta see a certain percentage. If it doesn't see a certain percentage, it's not going into anti-lag mode. It's just going into two-step. Yeah, so you gotta literally just fucking like you mean it. You know? Yeah. That's all it is.
So same shit for the rolling, right? Just under 4,500. Just wait.
Under 4,000, just fucking literally
hold it
hold
and
the button
peg it to the
and fucking
floor,
smash
and then
it,
let it
and
when
it'll
you let
start
go.
to fucking build boost, and then just let go of the button, and then it takes off. Yeah. Just be careful, it might spin.
Yeah.
On your car, yes, it might spin.
And when your homie can tune it, that's what happens. Oh, you got something to say?
Nope. My shit looks fucking still dirty as hell.
I don't even know. This thing's a fucking wagon. Fucking the Gapper wagon.
Tag the throttle before.
Got Rob's FD as well.
You're not trying to go for a climb.
Both of Rob's red Mark IVs. He did not want this one to be red, but this was his last buy, so super clean Williams sleeper setup. So this is a trapper car, definitely all batshit, but this one is just the sleeper mobile. Stock rims still and everything. Tan interior. Woo. Clean stock. Fucking this shit is kick-ass. Got a stank mobile right here. We got Rob's Aristo and his FC and his Mark II. My car on the cover at Jack Boys. We got Sage's car. This thing is pretty fucking sweet. Nice little Sylvia. This thing looks fucking rad. It's a coupe too. Nice. Oof, blue on blue. That is pretty sweet. God, I'd love to have one of those. I'm pretty sure that's a 93. Just had the added turbo badge. I definitely want to get an S14 though. Kooky is a must. Paint it super anthracite. That'd be pretty sweet. Just anthracite, S14, kooky. This thing is so dank.
Okay, for sure.
Alrighty.
Bye.
See you later. I'll see you later this week too. Okay. Okay, one last stop though. This fucking hardtop car. Woo! 1,900 of these made for the US. God damn. I really fucking wish. This fucking has a cage too. God, this thing is awesome. Alright, catch you later. Nice. Ooh, Datsun pickup too. Look at that. Oh, this is fucked up. This is fucked. That turbo sound is picking up on camera, but that shit is pretty sweet, in my opinion. It really reflects off some other cars. Like the sound will bounce right off of another car. There's my little IS right there. Oh, I fucking overshot that. Here we go. Oh man, really, Dad? Look at that shit. Oh baby, scrape. Oh no. Oh, there goes my lip. $100 on eBay. No, we're good. Oof. Let's get that video up. There we go. You. But can we talk about this IS though? Second owner car. Look at this. Look at it. I absolutely destroyed it. I ruined this car. Painted the roof. Oh man, cringe. 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 Oof. Just cringe. Cringe, cringe, cringe. OEM 5-speed, OEM LSD, 2002. Yes. There's my fucking Civic over there. Fuck that car. Honda CVT. So that's my 1J Supra that I have, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'll probably be making more videos like this. I used to make Call of Duty videos, so I kind of know what I'm doing. Not really. I don't really know how to pick up a vlog camera. So really hope you guys enjoyed, alright? And I'll see you in the next one.